Flatpack to Rectifier family. The Rectifier 481200s provides backup power for 230 vac loads with minimum losses and footprint. It is a 3-port device capable of charging the 48 volts battery and simultaneously provides power for the AC and DC loads during mains outage. The Rectifier feeds AC loads using energy stored in the battery. Key features: unique 3-in-1 operation in one box, modular design, high efficiency, global compliance, patented technology, hot pluggable AC and DC port voltage keying. Its outstanding performance has been recognized by various industries, and it can work steadily in multiple fields, for example, communication on board ships, offshore operations, rural electrification, power generation and distribution, railway, metro infrastructure. Flatpack 2E Series 241,123.100 brings you a different experience. Please continue to follow us to bring you more related equipment.